Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, stone art. Stone crafts ideas. Friends. Stone art is a beautiful way to turn a simple stone into crafted decoration with just a little bit of glue. You can make amazing crafts for your home. Let's explore some wonderful stone crafts ideas that are colorful, easy, and fun. The first idea is stone animals, just like this cute tiger and monkey and chicken. It stones in different shapes and paint them to look like animals. It is a fun project for kids and make great wall art for your home. The second idea is stone flowers. Arrange small oval stones like petals around a center stone. Paints them in bright color and you have beautiful handmade flowers. You can place them on women's wood or even decorate your garden with them. The third idea is stone wall hanging. Take a wooden ball, glue stones and take a wooden ball. So get a pattern like tree birds, butterflies, or even families. Second, some parents for detail and you have a unique wall decoration. The fourth idea is stone photo frame. Decorate a simple frame by drawing colorful. Decorate the same stones around their border. Just give your photo frames artistic and handmade look. The fifth area is stone cluster and trees. Arrange flat stones together and glue them. And to make a shape or trim, you can leave them natural and paint them in designs for stylish tables. The sixth idea is stone garden decoration. Use paint stone this garden marker for plants or paint them